Axel's making out with a lizard.
Make it on the laptop.
He's an amazing lizard.
Sure, go ahead.
You have no idea.
Roar. Fear me! I am Max. Hear me roar. Oh, please don't close that out.
Yeah.
Please don't close it out.
Don't touch me.
Come here.
No, watch. Ready?
No.
I made a new tab.
He's gonna poop on your head. Kelsey, don't scare him, or else he'll take a crap on your head. On second thought, do scare him.
Another minute and we'll all be finished.
His head's staying in the same spot. Give me that.
Oh, that's
I want to show you also.
I want to see that. Oh,
He's gonna get sick and he's gonna throw up on you.
He has thrown up before. He ate too much cookies, so he threw up. It was pretty funny. Beeps.
Is it actually possible for you waves to somehow
Go,
detect Kakarot's presence?
go.
Or are you bluffing me?
Oh, I'll see you climb in your hand.
Oh, let's see.
Ready?
Is this it? No, this isn't it. It was the earlier season where he's always over 9,000. Watch this. He tries to balance with you. It's hilarious. Watch. Oh, look at that. Okay.
Vegeta,
Hold on, lizard.
they just trying to buy some time, or we're finally gonna see some real action. Come on, let's have some good news for a change.